green. She does not like red. She likes butter. She does not like bread. She likes seeds. She does not like flowers. She likes umbrellas. She does not like showers. She likes alligator. She does not like mice. She likes snowballs. She does not like ice. She likes needles. She does not like to sew. She likes grass. She does not like to mow. She likes green peppers. She does not like pickles. She likes pennies. She does not like nickels. She likes cabbage. She does not like pie.
Nej, very hard.
Miss Millie is so silly. Can you tell why? I only like things that has double letters.
With things with
double letters.
good job. Clap, clap.